21 years. Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
The last week of May is going to look and feel more like the first week of July. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. We will cool down a bit tomorrow with highs mainly in the 70s, but after that, it's more 80s for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And 80s are what most of us saw earlier today, and some of us are still in the 80s, including Shawano, where it's 82. We've got 83 degrees in Wapaka. After a high of 80 in Manitowoc, the temperature has now dropped to 69. It is currently 79 in Appleton with mostly sunny skies. Just a beautiful evening in Green Bay. 83 with mostly sunny skies and a west to southwest wind at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. We've got a lot of sunshine out there right now, but that wasn't the case all day long. We've been watching some hit or miss thunderstorms move across northeast Wisconsin since the late morning, and right now those hit or miss thunderstorms are beginning to shift off towards the east. You can see them here on precision radar producing some brief heavy rain and some cloud to ground lightning. You can see right now that the greatest concentration of activity is now located east out over Lake Michigan. We have a few dying showers here between Manitowoc and Kiel, back towards the south and west, including the eastern part of Fond du Lac County. The heaviest storms have been across the far north. Right now, we still have a severe thunderstorm warning here for Iron County up in the UP. We actually had a tornado warning, if you can believe that, just to the south and west of Marquette a few hours ago. Now, these thunderstorms are developing along a frontal boundary that's going to slowly drop south later on tonight into tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, it's going to lift back to the north. Around the frontal boundary, west or east of it, north or south of it, it's pretty warm. Temperatures are in the 80s, so the cooling that we're going to see tomorrow behind the frontal boundary will be thanks to an easterly wind coming in off the lake and more clouds compared to what we saw today. So far this month, we have had 5 days with highs in the 80s. We've got more on the way. Tomorrow, a little bit cooler, but still above normal. As we head into Thursday, we'll watch that front lift back to the north, and that means more widespread 80s across the area. Not only is it going to be warm, but the humidity levels are going up as well. We had our first dew point near 60 of the year earlier this afternoon, and we will see dew points climbing up into the 60s as we head closer to the weekend. So Precision Cast shows that front dropping south tomorrow morning, maybe a shower or a thunderstorm developing along of it tomorrow afternoon, and then as it lifts back to the north tomorrow night, a good chance for rain and thunderstorms. Those thunderstorms, however, will be dying. So right now it looks like the best threat for organized severe weather is going to be way off to the south and west. So your forecast for tonight calls for an isolated shower or storm, otherwise mostly clear, lows in the 50s to around 60. Tomorrow, sun and clouds, maybe a shower or a thunderstorm. Cooler, but still above normal, 70s. And then look at this. As we head through the weekend and beyond, on and off chances for hit or miss thunderstorms, mixing with some sunshine and some summer-like temps and humidity. High temperatures will be mainly in the 80s, Stacy.
I think it's safe to say that summer has finally arrived.
Yes, and some summer-like thunderstorms as well. Any one of those thunderstorms there you just saw could potentially be strong to severe, and will have the threat for some locally heavy rain as well.
We'll rely on you to keep us safe.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, thanks, Cameron. Well,